In this video, I'll show you how to create a crossword using the JuicyTools crossword generator. This is great for reviewing vocabulary, science topics, or spelling words with your class. Let's begin. You can find it on the dashboard. When you open the tool, you'll see several quick start crossword templates. These are great if you want to begin quickly. In this tutorial, we'll create a crossword from scratch. First, choose the age range you want the words and clues to match. For this example, I'll select ages 9 to 12. Next, add a title for your crossword. I'm going to create one about plants, since this is something my class has been learning. Now it's time to add your words. You can type words in individually or use the bulk entry option. For convenience, I've asked ChatGPT to generate a list of plant-related words. I'll copy and paste them into the bulk entry box and click Add All Words. If you want to add extra words later, you can simply type them in. For example, I'll add the word bumblebee. Once you're happy with your word list, click Next. Generate clues. You can write clues yourself, but to save time, you can also use AI to generate the clues. Click on Generate Clues with AI. The clues will be created based on the age range you selected earlier. If a clue isn't quite right, you can regenerate that single clue or edit it manually. When you're happy with your clues, click Next. Then click Generate Grid. Your crossword layout will appear. You can click Show Answers to preview how the words are placed. If you'd like a different layout, simply click Regenerate to try another option. Once you're happy with the grid, click Next, Share and Download. You can now download and print the crossword for your students. Subscribers also get some extra features. You can save your crossword to use again later, and you can share a digital version with your students. To do this, simply copy the link or generate a QR code. Students can scan the code or open the link and complete the crossword directly on their device. When students open the puzzle, they can click on a number to begin typing their answer. They can also click on a clue to highlight the correct boxes. The word bank at the bottom can help students if they get stuck. When they think they have finished, they can click Check. Correct answers will appear in green, and incorrect answers will appear in red. Now let's look at another powerful feature. Instead of entering words manually, you can scan a document and automatically extract keywords. This works with text documents or images. Click Scan Document, then upload your file. For this example, I'll upload a document that my students have been reading. You can also choose which pages to scan and how many keywords you want to extract. Once the document uploads, click Find Keywords. The tool will scan the text and identify important words that can be used in a crossword. It will also automatically generate clues for those words. If everything looks good, click Add Selected Words. Now the words are ready to generate a crossword. Add a title. Then click Generate Clues and Generate Grid, just like before. You can regenerate the layout if needed until you find one you like. Finally, click Share and Download. Your crossword is now ready for your students, and that's how easy it is to create a crossword using the JuicyTools crossword generator. Be sure to explore our other tools available on the JuicyTools dashboard.